AI and the future of work, embracing automation and collaboration. As AI continues to advance, its impact on the future of work becomes increasingly significant. Automation, driven by AI technologies, is reshaping traditional job roles and transforming industries. While automation brings efficiency and productivity gains, it also raises questions about the future of human work. Collaboration between humans and AI emerges as a key theme in the future of work. Rather than replacing human workers, AI is augmenting human capabilities and enabling more efficient and effective decision-making. By leveraging AI-powered tools and systems, humans can focus on higher-level tasks that require creativity, critical thinking, and emotional intelligence. The symbiotic relationship between humans and AI fosters collaboration and mutual learning, leading to enhanced productivity and innovation. AI's ability to process and analyze vast amounts of data empowers organizations with predictive analytics and informed decision-making. By leveraging AI-driven insights, businesses can anticipate market trends, identify emerging opportunities, and make data-driven decisions. This data-centric approach enables organizations to adapt quickly to changing circumstances and gain a competitive edge in the evolving landscape. The future of work also calls for continuous reskilling and upskilling to ensure individuals remain relevant and adaptable in an AI-driven world. As job roles evolve and new opportunities emerge, acquiring new skills and knowledge becomes essential. Organizations and educational institutions play a crucial role in providing training programs and resources to empower individuals with the skills needed to thrive in the age of AI. In our upcoming videos, we will delve deeper into the evolving dynamics of work and AI. We will explore topics such as the ethical considerations of AI in the workplace, the role of AI in workforce management, and the future skills needed in an AI-dominated world. These insights will equip you with a comprehensive understanding of the challenges and opportunities that lie ahead in the realm of work and AI. Stay tuned for more valuable insights on the future of work in the age of AI. Don't miss out on these essential considerations that shape the way we collaborate, innovate, and adapt in the ever-changing work landscape. Thank you for watching and joining us on this enlightening journey into the intersection of AI and work.